Hi students, welcome back to Writing class. Today we are going to start our third lesson. Can you type Amma in the computer? You all studied Malayalam typing in your previous classes, right? You have known the keys for typing vowels, consonants, some of the compound letters and also Chillaksharam. In this lesson, we are going to type Malayalam and also Hindi. Shall we start the class? Okay. Students, normally when we type using the keyboard, we find English letters on the screen, right? Now, in order to convert the keyboard layout to Malayalam, we can follow these steps. See, click on this icon from the top right position of the window and select Malayalam. Now the keyboard is ready to type Malayalam. But in order to type fast, we should have a knowledge about the Malayalam keyboard layout. Just as we have studied the keyboard layout in English in the first chapter, Malayalam is also having a keyboard layout. And it is known as inscript key layout. You know that the order in which keys are arranged in a keyboard is called keyboard layout. This is based on the nature of the language and the flexibility of our fingers. Now look at this figure. This is an inscript key layout developed by CDAC, a central government agency for typing various languages. We all know that Malayalam can be broadly classified into vowels and consonants. By analyzing this picture, we can find that all the letters of the vowels except R are typed using left hand fingers, right? And most of the consonants are to be typed using right hand fingers. Now, we have to be accurate only if we know the exact fingers for typing each and every letter. Just as in English, we have to study the fingers used for typing various letters of Malayalam also. But before doing that, we have to recollect the Malayalam keys first. See, these are the keys used for typing vowels in Malayalam. You have studied it in your previous classes. Just try to recollect it. Now look, these all are the consonants in Malayalam. Now complete the given two tables in your textbook with the help of inscript key layout and do it as a project work. Okay. Now look at this table. Here we can see the combination of letters with some symbols, right? We know that for getting a vowel, we have to use the shift key along with the corresponding keys. But to get these symbols, we have to press the corresponding key only. For example, look at this. This is the symbol of A. Here, we need to type the key only without pressing shift key. Clear? Remember, shift E will give us the letter A and the key E. Only E will help us to type the symbol A. Same is the case with other letters also. Now look at this table. Here we can see compound letters, right? Look at the first example. The same letter is repeated to get the compound letter. Here we can make use of the simple connector Chandrakala. Okay, that is D. And use the same key twice. Now look at other example. Here we need to type two letters and use the connector. For that, just think of the pronunciation of these combinations and find out the keys for typing those letters. So we get the following keys as answers. Now this is the table containing the keys for typing Chillaksharangal. Go through this table also. Are you confident now to type all these words in your computer? Okay, good. Suppose we want to type Sahla or software. Actually, these are not Malayalam words. The letters should not be compiled as the combination letters in Malayalam pronunciation. So, to make these letters stand apart, we make use of another key, that is curly brace or closed square bracket. Thus, for typing Sahla, we have to type Sa, Ha, then Chandrakala. Then before typing La, we have to use this key. Okay. And also for typing software, we have to use this key in between soft and where. Clear? Now, the K-Touch software that we used as English typing tutor can be used for learning Malayalam typing too. We get the lessons to practice Malayalam typing from the K-Touch software. Okay. Let's get to know about some Malayalam fonts. The style of letters used in a computer is called font. Some common fonts of English alphabet are Liberation Serif, Liberation Sans, etc. Similarly, there are various fonts in Malayalam too. Rajana, Chilanka, Meera, Rekhu Malayalam, Aruna are examples of Malayalam fonts. Okay. Children, it's time to wind up today's class. We will continue the lesson in our next class. Thank you all.